Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marsha, and this is my little crafting corner on YouTube, and I'm so glad that you are here. On today's video, I have two thrift flips. They turned out so cute. I also use a new IOD transfer book, so let's get crafting. For project one, I have this cute little wooden um, drawer cubby piece. It's this orangey wood stain, and you guys, I hate the orange looking wood. If this was more natural wood or more brownish tint, then I would have probably left it the way it was. But because of that orangey tint, I am going to go in with two coats of the DIY paint in Apothecary. You guys know how I feel about this paint. It is so pretty. I'm so obsessed. I'm also going to go in and give the drawer fronts two coats of that Apothecary. Now here's the new IOD book that I picked up. It's Madeleine. It has so many beautiful florals in it, you guys. So it was hard to choose which one I wanted to put on the drawer fronts of this little piece. But I finally found what I wanted. I cut it down to fit the drawer fronts, and I'm just going in with the little stick that comes with it and rubbing these transfers down. Once I get all the transfers on the drawer fronts that to my liking, I'm going to go in and give this a good sanding around the edges. I'm even sanding around the drawer fronts and sanding down some of that transfer just to make it look a little more aged. Now to seal this piece, I'm going in with DIY, no, I'm sorry, this was Dixie Belle's clear wax. And I'm going to seal the entire piece. Anytime that you're working with DIY paint or transfers, you do want to seal the piece. These can easily be rubbed off if they're not sealed. And here's how this piece turned out. It's so cute. I love the way those floors look on the Apothecary paint. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comments. This is definitely my favorite. Now for project 2, I've got this natural wood candlestick. Started with cleaning it really good, and then I gave it a good sanding to make it smooth all the way around. And I am giving this 2 coats of Dixie Belle's chalk paint in antebellum blue. This is a very rich blue. It's almost like a dark dusty blue, really. But I love how this turns out. I did go in and give it a light sanding around all the edges. And to seal in that chalk paint, I'm going in with DIY's dark wax. This turned out so cute. I did not realize this antebellum blue with the dark wax was going to turn out so cute. Now we're not finished with that little candlestick. I've got some Tight Bond Thick and Quick glue. I'm putting some at the very top. And I'm going to take this little basket that I thrifted from the Goodwill bins, and I'm going to attach it right to the top of our candlestick to create me a nice little fruit basket. Now here's how it turned out. It is so cute. I can't wait to fill it up with lemons for the summertime. You guys let me know what you think down in the comments. Well, that's all the projects I have this week. It was a very busy week at work, so I didn't get as much done as I wanted to. But you guys come back next week for some more projects. And leave me a comment below and let me know what you think and what project was your favorite. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.